Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to make some really easy, fun, cut-out shortbread cookies for the holidays. So here are the ingredients that we need. 125 grams of salted butter, 63 grams of cornstarch, 125 grams of all-purpose flour, 13 grams of icing sugar, and our last ingredient, 50 grams of granulated white sugar. So those are the ingredients. Let's get started. This recipe is super simple. We're just going to combine all of our ingredients at the same time. So I'll get in all of my flour, my sugar, my cornstarch, get all of that out. That's good. Or a little bit of icing sugar. And icing sugar is also called confectioner sugar or powdered sugar. And then our salted butter. And that's it. And now we'll get this on the stand mixer and start mixing it. I'm going to get my mixer down into place. I'm going to turn it on and speed number 1. And we'll just start mixing this together. Okay, that looks good. That's about maybe a minute of mixing. We'll open that up and you can see how this has all come together. This is a nice dough. Look at this. Oh, this makes amazing little cutout cookies. So I get everything into my bowl here. Just going to remove everything. Let's gather all this together. Look at this dough. This is so nice. Look at that. Oh, that is ready to go. What's great about this recipe is there's no chilling required. So we're just going to roll out our really nice dough. I'm just going to get a little bit of flour on the top. And then we'll just roll this out. So there's no rule when you are rolling out your dough. You can do as thin or as thick as you wish. I think that's nice, just like that. And I do have my oven preheated to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, which is around 160 degrees Celsius. I'm going to get my little cookie cutter right in here. Hopefully you can see that. I've got my flour, and we'll just do a little cut. And then this little set has a little bit of a top on it here, and it's like a little plunger, so you just push it in while your cookie cutter is still in the cookie dough, just like that, and then lift it up. There you can see a nice pattern in there. That's good. We'll just do that. And then right onto our little tray. And to make it easy, you can just give it a little bit of a push, just like that. Look at that. Isn't that cute? That is cute. What's this one? A little gingerbread? Let's try the gingerbread. That looks fun. So this is just a little set that I got off of Amazon. There's all kinds of them. They're fun for the Christmas season. Oh, isn't that cute? We'll just scoop that out. Get it on there. And just give it a little bit of a push. And there we go. Oh, these are fun. So I've got a whole pile here off camera. I'll just bring them over here so you can see them. There's a full set of these. There we go. So I'm going to do a few more of these and then I'll come back. So you can see I've done quite a few here. These are going to be really nice. So I've zoomed my camera in a tiny bit. Hopefully you can see this. So I'm gonna grab my little cookie cutter. This is a little gingerbread character. I'm gonna go like that, give it a little bit of a push, and then I take the top, just give it a little bit of flour so it doesn't stick. A little bit stuck in there, that looks good. And then right in there, and then just a little push in all the corners to make sure that the little design is imprinted in the top of the cookie dough. There, that's good. And then scoop, and then right on. Am I still on camera here? I should turn all of this so we can see. So there it is there. And then a little bit of a pull that out, a little bit of a push, and there we go. Look at that. That is so cute. Yeah, really nice. Amazon has so many different sets, and not just for Christmas. They've got all kinds of holidays and general themed ones as well. So I'm going to continue on and I'll be back in a second. And through the magic of YouTube, I've finished all of my cookies and I used up all of my dough. If you've got children, this is a great activity to do with these little cookie cutters. This is so much fun. And what's great about this dough is that you can do anything with it. You could roll it up into a little log and you can freeze it, and then you can slice it up into little coins and just bake it that way as well. So this recipe is super versatile. So now I'm going to go pop these into my oven. I'm going to bake them and then I'll be back. Hey everybody, I am back. I have baked off all my cookies and total bake time was 30 minutes. And I also wanted to mention I did not use convection mode with these cookies. If you're going to put convection on, these are probably going to be done in about 15 minutes. So the cookies look really good. If you look at the detail, it's absolutely perfect. It looks so good. Look at that in the bottom, nice. They have retained all of their shape, so I'm very impressed. One of them got a little bit broken here because as I was bringing them out with my oven mitt, I had pressed right here in the corner, so I broke a little bit of the cookie. All right, let's go into the cookie. Look at this. So let's see. Oh, did you hear the snap? Nice. Look at that. Oh, shortbread, the best. Oh, that is so good. A nice hot cup of tea or coffee, a couple of these biscuits, and you are living the VIP life. So that's it for this really fun video. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you try this out, even if you're going to use it in a different manner where you can just make a log and then slice it into coins. Very nice as well. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, I'm also over there at BakeLikeAPro. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Just crumbles in your mouth. So good. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.